Let's explore Docker volumes, a crucial aspect of managing data storage in Docker containers. This presentation will guide you through the process of creating and managing Docker volumes effectively. Docker volumes are designed for persisting data generated and used by Docker containers. They exist independently of the container lifecycles. This independence is key to ensuring data survives even when containers are stopped, removed, or recreated. Using Docker volumes offers several benefits. First, data persists beyond the container's lifecycle. Second, it enables easy data sharing between containers. Third, it provides better performance and security. And fourth, it simplifies backup and migration processes. Now let's learn how to create Docker volumes. The basic command for creating a Docker volume is Docker volume create, followed by options and the desired volume name. For instance, to create a volume named myVolume, you would use the command Docker volume create myVolume. This simple command creates a named volume that can be used by containers for persistent storage. You can also specify storage drivers and configuration options for advanced use cases. To see a list of all Docker volumes on your system, you can use the command Docker volume ls. This command displays the driver and volume name for each volume. You can also filter the list by name using the filter option. For example, Docker volume ls, filter name equals myVolume. To show detailed information about the volumes, you can use the format table option. This command provides a formatted table with details about each volume, including the driver and volume name. A sample output would look like this: the driver followed by the volume name, then local followed by myVolume, local followed by app data, and local followed by DB storage. To get detailed information about a specific Docker volume, you can use the Docker volume inspect command, followed by the volume name. For example, Docker volume inspect myVolume. This command provides various information, including the mount point location, the driver type and options, the creation timestamp, labels and metadata, and size and usage details. To use a volume with a container, you need to mount it when you run the container. The command to do this is Docker run v volume name path image. The v flag connects a named volume to a container directory path. For example, Docker run v mydata /app data nginx. In this example, we are mounting the volume mydata to the /app data directory inside the nginx container. This ensures that any data written to the /app data directory inside the container persists in the volume and is accessible even after the container is stopped or removed. When a Docker volume is no longer needed, it can be removed using the Docker volume rm command followed by the volume name. For example, Docker volume rm myVolume. Additionally, you can remove all unused volumes using the Docker volume prune command. This helps free up disk space. It is important to exercise caution when removing volumes, as this action permanently deletes all the data stored in the volume. Before removing a volume, ensure that it is not currently in use by any containers. In summary, use Docker volume prune to remove all unused volumes and free up disk space. To effectively manage Docker volumes, it's important to follow some best practices. First, use descriptive names for your volumes. Give volumes meaningful names that reflect their purpose and application. Second, perform regular cleanups. Periodically remove unused volumes to free up disk space and maintain system health. Third, implement a backup strategy. Implement regular backups for critical data stored in volumes. Fourth, monitor the usage. Regularly inspect volumes to understand storage patterns and optimize performance. To summarize, Docker volumes provide robust persistent storage solutions for containerized applications. Key commands to remember are Docker volume create, Docker volume ls, Docker volume inspect, Docker volume rm, and Docker volume prune. If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.